now we'll take a look at our input and output. We have two Java files, one company.java, which takes in a set of stock data and then advises our user if they should invest in the stock or not. So when we run that, we provide it with a command line argument, which is the number of days. In this case, we'll say 75. And then we read in a text file with stock data. We provide two, one for Apple and one for Canopy Growth Corporation. We'll run with Apple. And when we do that, we get the output of our personalized stock analysis, which shows us the different technical indicators, as well as the reason for if we think we should invest in the stock. In this case, for Apple, we think we should, and provides the aforementioned reasons. And then we have a second Java file called Graph Visualizer, which we can run and helps visualize the different technical indicators, as well as the stock price. Here we provided a command line argument number of days, as well as the time period for the moving averages. In this case, we'll say 10. And then we can read in a text file. This time we'll do Canopy Growth Corporation. And then we get this graph. Our first feature was also having the ability to take in standard input and then be able to use it.
Yeah. So then for our second feature, once we're able to use our first feature to take in the data and then represent it in our outputs, we wanted to create different methods that represented how to calculate the different financial indicators that we're using, like simple moving average or exponential moving average, also strength index and a Rune oscillator. And so that's also why these first four values come up, because it's a test outputs for the functions. And then our third feature was just to be able to create a graph that visualized the data over the course of time in a way that was easy to understand, which is why we have a legend and why we have axis titles and labels and the four different line graphs representing the four different indicators and the stock prices themselves. So thank you.